All right, y'all, this video is about my Jaegerworks extended slide thingy thing. I just got it. And the problem I was having last time, and I'm making a video about this, differences that I've learned or things that I've learned going to outdoor ranges versus indoor ranges. A lot more dynamic and fluid movements, but you learn what works and what doesn't. It's different than shooting and just, showing clear every time. Whereas if you actually shooting too clear, reload and having to actually, so one thing I learned was that the extended release I had was getting away my grip last time. So as I'm gripping it, my thumb was actually hitting it prematurely and making the slide drop. So now this is really like out of the way of my grip. So I'm gonna run 3 random mags, aka the 3 mags that I have left. My Strike Industries OEM. This is the OEM actual factory mag. And then I got my 2 mag pulls, my 15 and my 21. I'm just run these and see if I get a slide lock.
Hold on, let me see if I can flip this up a little bit down there.
Go ahead. And then we'll see. It's TBD. Stay tuned.
You can go faster.
All right, so one thing I learned, like, look, y'all can see I got scratches on my slide from this, so be wary of that. Those was not there before. It's scratching a little bit right there. Hope y'all can see that. If not, I'll have some close-up images, but it's still running though, and it definitely is like out of my way, so that's good. And then did I have my cover on here? This freaking pin keeps walking out. It's like a lazy eye. You got to keep it in check from time to time, you know what I mean? Gotta make sure that Magpul 15. I don't really run these for real. Yep, I dropped my cover right there. Yeah, them Optic Guard covers, I dropped it. I'm not really seeing no hard use on my thing, so not really a big deal today. But yeah, Magpul 15 rounder. See if that scratch gets worked. We just gonna keep running it. Let's see. My first malfunction in a while. So it's actually a double feed. Or failure to extract. Let's see if we have another one. Might have been wrist in it, so I'm gonna grip the fuck out of this shit now. Relax a little bit. Eyes open. Wrist starting to hurt. That's why I like shooting rifles too, man. That recoil be killing my shit. I need a compensator bad. And y'all see how dirty that light's getting. Y'all see that, man? Y'all see that, man? But red dot staying on there sturdy. Still sighted in, I just suck. So actually, let's see if I can hit it from the knee. See how I can get it. So yeah, Jaegerworks Jaeger works. Slide release is doing good. I like the extended. I'll probably get that on all my Glocks now. So yeah, stay tuned.